washing by myself.
Washing what?
Washing the dishes by myself.
What are you doing?
I'm washing the dishes so everything will be super clean. And una ang pinaka dili hugaw mang.
What is na dili pinakahugaw?
Kaning purple kani.
Hindi pwede na ka dili mag-choose ug asa basta kay plates tanan plates. But for as long as you wash all the glass first, and then you need to clean the spoons. Sige, pwede na po later.
Lang.
Okay.
I only cleaned one. Almost done. Isan kay papang na mga.
Okay, this is the first time that my baby learned to wash some dishes. He volunteered to. Why did you volunteer to wash the dishes, Kuya?
Para dali kayo ang trabaho ni mamang para makares siya.
And Mamang can do some other.
Work.
Okay. Thank you, Yang, for that thought. You're so thoughtful, Kuya.
And can I now allow to laba, Mang?
Huh?
Am I now allowed to laba? Tulaw.
Not yet.
Amen.
Later, I will teach you how to labap also. Huh? Thank you, Yang. Thank you, Yang. Oh, my baby is so industrious and so thoughtful.
Wala sa manghugasan sa ako.